Sticky Rice on here. One of my subscribers requested that I do a video on how to fix frame stuttering and lag on PS4. So here I got the solution for you. So basically one of the methods that I use to fix this problem is to first go to the internet browser and actually first you want to make sure that you go in your settings and then you go to sound and screen and make sure that it's sharing and broadcast. You want to make sure that your screenshot settings is in the PNG image format, since it's better for screenshotting solid images. So the reason why I'm doing this is to prepare myself to go to the internet browser and find myself a black background. So basically what this does is that the PlayStation automatically kind of has to process the background as well while you're playing games. So using a black background will help mitigate all of the stuttering and also the processing in the background, and that will help. That'll be one of the big contributors to help your PlayStation run more smooth. So what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then you want to type in black screen. Okay. Now you're going to be taken to this screen and you want to click on the blackscreen.app. So once you do that, then you want to press the full screen button. So press square, and then your cursor is going to be still there. So you're going to have to drag the cursor all the way down to the bottom left corner so that's not visible. And then once you do that, you want to press your share button. If you're on easy screenshots, you just tap it. But if you're not on easy screenshots, then you want to just hold the share button and then it'll give you the option to screenshot it. And then, yeah, so once you do that, you just click it and then you just back out of this web browser. Then you go to your capture gallery and then you want to make sure that you have it right here. And since it's a PNG, it's going to be 39 kilobytes, which is the smallest one. And you want to make sure that it's at 39 kilobytes, since if it's at like 70 kilobytes, that's the JPEG, and you don't want that. Just make sure that it's as low as possible for the kilobytes, and it will be running on your PlayStation really smooth. So once you have that, then you want to go all the way to your settings, and then you want to go to themes. So this is how you set up your custom black background. So for this part, you just want to make sure it's black, and then for select theme, it's going to be custom. And then you want to make sure that you select your image, right? And you go to your system storage and then all, and then you want to click on the black screen, and then you don't have to change it at all. You just press enter. And then once you got that, you want to make sure this is the default blue. So it's this one, top left corner. And then after you do that, you want to make sure that this is checked. So make function area dim, and then that's going to be like a low input lag setting. So you want to make sure you do that. And then after you do that, you apply, and you pretty much got your black background. And yeah, so those are just one of my methods to help make the PS4 run smoother. And it's one of the big tips to help fix the stuttering and lag issues on the PS4. Of course, there's a lot more, and I have a lot of knowledge about tweaking the PS4 and stuff. So if you want to book a session where I can go over how to fully optimize your PS4, I have a link in my YouTube bio that has my Fiverr. And if you look at my Fiverr gigs, you can see that I offer a full PlayStation 4 optimization, and I'll be able to go on Discord, call you, and then walk you step by step on how to how to fully calibrate your PS4 and optimize it to its peak performance. And you'll get all the tips that I know. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to book a call with me and we'll go over all the full optimizations, and that your PS4 will be running at its smoothest capacity. So yeah, this is just one of my methods that will help you guys, but there will be a lot more videos coming out in the future. So make sure to drop a comment on what you want to see next, or if you want any more tweakings on any games or any kind of optimization, drop down the name of the game that you're playing and I'll try to get that game, and I'll try to find the best optimal settings for lag and performance. So yeah.